They say in Louisiana, if the gators don't get you, you can grow up to be a man. But if you take to the swamp before you're ready, you may never get back again. But my daddy told me a man could live there if he knew just what to do. 'Cause there ain't a critter in the whole damn swamp that knows as much as you. Jump, frog. Now me and Willie, my old dog Trigger, we ran wild at night. Trigger barked and Willie whistled, and me, I held a light. Raising hell, drinking wine, thick woods all around. If anything moved, we were right dead on 'em, and we caught 'em every time. Jump, frog. Jump, frog, you ain't gonna jump, frog, away from me. Jump, frog, or you'll be supper, or I'll sell you for $1 down in New Orleans. Well, I'd been to Opelousas and to Lafayette, and I knew what the city could do. Mama said the devil lived there, and me and Willie, we tried to catch him too. But he must have got wise, knew we were coming, so he lit out for the swamp. And what we did then, I can't remember, but we tried it more than once. Jump, devil. Jump, frog, you ain't gonna jump, frog, away from me. Jump, frog, or you'll be supper, or I'll sell you for $1 down in New Orleans. Jump, you slippery little devil, you. You're the lady.